the meanest kitty of all. Why are you so mean? Kitty. Kitty, be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that?
Ay, mire. Why can't you be that calm and nice? Like...
Brother, Johnson, big man, where the blood clot you do?
He is legitimately waiting for his food to come out. His food comes out at 9. He's watching.
I says, terrified. Sends me the monies now, or you'll wreck. Not so fast, Larry. Larry gets interrupted. I looks back in shocks. Holy craps, it's Rigby. Pick on peeners your own size. The awesome Rigby says to Larry. Larry is standing there speechless in front of his arch nemesis. How could it be? I thought I exploded your peenar a long time ago. Larry stutters in shocks. You fool, I told you my peenar is unexplodable, says Rigby. No matters, I shall explode your peenar again, says Larry with an evil smirk. You can't beat all of us, Larry, says Rigby.